have something that's trending in Bangalore.
So in Delhi and all, it used to be a thing when foreigners would come, these tour guides would arrange a wedding of sorts and they would make
This
them.
was
that's a
thing
very
everywhere
common
in
thing.
India
Even in
before.
Kerala, it's a very common
Yeah.
thing. It's a really
It was
common
a thing before for actual weddings.
Yeah.
But now this
Yeah,
is like
now it's actually a fake wedding where you can dress up,
the
drink,
better
have
way of
fun.
saying
No,
it
is
it's a
this-
socializing event.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
see?
in this there is no dulha, no rishtedar.
Sure.
So Bharat starts, band, dhol, food counter, ethnic wear, selfie booth. Okay, all that happens, and you can actually select female cover charge, stack cover charge, couple cover. It's a party
Yeah.
without these people.
No, chill, go ahead, do it.
Bangalore is constantly coming up with ideas to set up these socializing parties, okay? Because we have a lot of students and people from different parts of India coming and staying here, and they're like, we need to find something better than just looking at buildings.
You
and
know what?
All that.
This is an opportunity.
Uh-huh. For somebody who wants to get married, I was thinking that.
Right?
Just go and stand there,
Right?
Thinking
Like
that.
the cover charge is like 1,500
Yeah.
rupees for a ticket,
Yeah,
right?
become dulha and go.
Get like 3,000 rupees,
Yeah.
go there, get it, go ahead, do your party, do your wedding, chill and just come out and go sign your thing in a registered
So I
office.
really thought about that, because I was like, wow, might as well do something like
And
that. So I
you'll
put my
actually
families,
no
then you
the
have
thing
to
is
invite a lot of people.
no Rish, the thing is you'll actually get people who wants to be there
Yeah. It's not like
and who
some
you actually want to be with.
relatives are like jana unki shaadi ko and
If
Ah.
I do this, will you attend my wedding?
of course, of
Yeah,
course.
they'll
doing
come
it,
give
guys.
nazar and go. No relatives.
Yeah,
Who
yeah.
wants them anyway?
If you do wedding here in office also, I'll come. Don't worry.
Per head charge 1,500. Great
Yeah.
with alcohol.
Yeah, with alcohol.